Hello guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the aspect ratio in OBS Studio. I will walk you through all the most common aspect ratios and show you exactly how to set them up. First, open OBS Studio and you will see the default aspect ratio on your screen. To change it, click on Settings, then go to the Video tab. From there, you can adjust the base camera resolution to match the aspect ratios you want. Now keep watching as I show you different aspect ratios and how to set each one correctly. I hope this video helps you out. If it did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.